Macintosh Screens of Death by Jeremiah Daily Mill, North Daniel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, E. Let's get started. Number 1, the Sabbath. Discover and start a failure. Plus an explainer with its class zone. I know it comes to old book like Powerback Book or eMate and whatever. The cover Cocoon Pen occurs in macOS X. We have unsafe macOS X. It's on macOS X 1.00 or 1.01. Trust me, get this useless gobble letters. And then that cool appear in macOS X. macOS X 1.2, 1.02, 1.03. It is currently on unsafe macOS X. State. Now we're on the next kernel panel. This is the third kernel panel. This is on macOS X. 1.404 or 1.06. This is the third kernel panel. This is on macOS X Lion. This one occurs when you have unsafe macOS X tape. This one is played on loginfo plus add Spanish language. Now we are the next kernel panel. This is the macOS X 1.08 Mountain Lion, and this one occurs that unsafe macOS X plus a problem using to continue starting up. Now you can do it. This is the prohibitory sign. It usually happens when you have an incompatible and damaged system placed in broken folder. This is for macOS X 1.02. You always have the broken folder. And this happens when the system file cannot be attempted or is damaged, which means dead. That's meaning a certain floppy disk continue, plus the floppy disk was a original disk. Well, that's it. The end. Please subscribe. Bye.